You are the one that filed for a divorce. You filed for a divorce and you're in a pain. I don't want to talk too loud. Because my blessed, my beautiful baby girl is sleeping. My baby girl that God blessed me with is sleeping. My beautiful baby girl, I never had was to use my baby daddy, brother, son, uncle sperm to get her. No. She was made with love. And I know you're hurt because you were not able to give me a child. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault that you had surgeries and procedures and you could not give me a child. It's not my fault, Maki, that you filed for a divorce and walked out of a relationship and living in pain and misery. It's not my fault that when you filed for divorce and when I got served, you filed for divorce 2 days before Christmas. And when I got served those divorce papers and my hold my belly and bawling at the kitchen in a Miramar, in a Florida, God tell me to get up. God tell me to get up. And God said, Kim, Maki will never see you on your face. It's not my fault. And not my fault why when you are planning say you divorcing me, God did I go take away everything from Kim and Kim would be on her face? It's not my fault that God said, come my child, you're going to prosper. I know my fault that. I know my fault so I started 2026 looking at one of the best years of my life, looking at my beautiful daughter in her eyes. It's not my fault.
The door closed quiet, no warning, no sound. Promises folded, left on the ground. He packed his reasons, said nothing was clear. Walked out the picture, left shadows and fear. Now the story gets twisted, rewritten in blame. Calling her guilty, calling her name. But truth doesn't tremble, it stands where it's taught. This ending is heavy, but it's not her fault. Love is a vow, not a convenient escape. You don't break a mirror and curse its shape. When courage runs out and the heart turns cold, don't sell a lie just to feel consoled. It's not Alicia Kim Fault, hear it plain. She carried the weight, she endured the pain. He chose the exit, he chose the divide. Now he's pointing the finger to quiet his pride. Say it out loud, let the record be taught. It's not Alicia Kim Fault. She stayed through the silence, the nights without rest. Tried to hold together what love put to test. He changed the rules, then moved the goal. Called distance freedom, called running control. Now the blame comes easy, the truth comes slow. When walking away feels safer than growth, but accountability isn't a weapon to wield. It's the price of the choices we make and conceal. You don't burn the house and accuse the flame. You don't leave the table and fault the game. If you choose departure, then own that thought. Don't borrow her name for a shame you brought. It's not Alicia Kim Fault, hear it plain. She carried the weight, she endured the pain. He chose the exit, he chose the divide. Now he's pointing the finger to quiet his pride. Say it out loud, let the record be taught. It's not Alicia Kim Fault. No, no. Divorce love can't breathe it, must let be. Strength is surviving the blame they throw, standing in light when the light still grows. History remembers what courage costs and names the choice when the line is crossed. It's not Alicia Kim Fault. Stand firm, stand tall. She didn't abandon the promise of call. He walked his path, made choices he bought. Now let honesty speak. No cover, no gloss. Say it once more. Let the blame fall silent, let healing start. Truth finds its way to the strongest heart. When the dust settles and the light stays off, what's left is clear and the truth resolves.